Hello dear students, my name is Ibukunolu Ademola. You are welcome to lesson 2 of nuclear chemistry. Today we'll be looking at detection of radioactive radiation. You are welcome. Thank you. Dear students, you are welcome to lesson number 2 of nuclear chemistry. Today we'll be looking at detection of radioactive radiations. My name is Ibukunolu Ademola. You are all welcome. Here are our lesson objectives for today. At the end of today's lesson, all the students in this class should be able to state the different types of devices for detecting radiation. Number 2, at the end of this lesson, all the students should be able to differentiate between these types of devices for detecting radiation. Dear students, you all need to know that radioactive radiations are not only harmful, but they are also dangerous because they are invisible. And different types of devices have been developed over the years for detecting these radiations we are talking about. Let's begin with GIGA Counter as one of the commonly used devices for detecting radiation. A GIGA Counter was developed by Johannes Wilhelm Hans Giga, who was a German physicist, and the function is for detecting and for measuring ionizing radiation. This GIGA counter was improved on by Walter Müller, and the name was changed to GIGA Müller counter after he has improved on GIGA's counter. This GIGA Müller counter is a device that consists of an ionization chamber into which two metal electrodes are sealed and is filled with a gas. GIGA Müller counter is a widely used detector of radioactivity. It's very common. Wilson diffusion cloud chamber is another device that is commonly used for detecting radiation. It was invented by Charles Thomson Rees Wilson, a Scottish physicist. And this man also won a Nobel Prize for inventing this cloud chamber in 1927. This chamber is used for detecting the actual parts, followed by alpha and beta particles. This is how it is used for detecting by detecting the paths through which alpha and beta particle followed. This is how Wilson diffusion cloud chamber is used for detecting the radiation. Scintillation counter is another device that can be used for detecting radiation. The modern electronic scintillation counter was invented in 1944 by Sir Samuel Curran, and at the right hand side is the model of scintillation counter. Here, this box represents the scintillator itself, and within it is the ionization track. This is the ionization track, and we have the diode and the anode. We also have the focusing electrode. This particular box is the multiplier tube. So this is the model of a scintillation counter, and the electronic form, the modern electronic scintillation, is like our computer desktop that we have in our various homes. Let us also look at photographic plates. In 1879, George Eastman and America invented a machine for coating photographic plates with emulsion, which led to production of great quantity of photographs. When a radioactive sample is placed on a photographic plate that is coated with silver halide, then photographic plates can be used to measure the intensity of the radiation by considering the radiation it absorbs. When this photographic plate absorbs light, it becomes darker, and the level of the darkness will tell how much ray it has absorbed. The following are other devices for detecting radiation. We have alpha radiation survey meter, we have dose rate meter, we have personal dosimeters, and we also have portal monitors. These are also devices that can be used for detecting radiation. In our lesson today, we've been able to look at the different devices for detecting radiations, and also we've been able to look to see the differences in these different types of devices for detecting radiations. Here is my email ID in case you want to send me a mail. My name still remains Ibukunolu Ademola. Thank you for listening, and bye for now.